Hi dear my colleagues, today I'm going to show you very easy and simple hairstyle. I'm going to use braiding technique. We're gonna use also shine spray to maintain, to support these lines. Then it's gonna be more easy to pull, to move the hair. We are separating for 3 sections. Ordinary braiding, okay? But here's some secrets. You have to make it very soft, and when you comb it, you don't have to move it too much after this, okay? You don't have to move it too much, otherwise it's not gonna be possible to comb it, to work with. Okay, very gently. And this hair, you're not braiding again. You are just taking another hair, another new hair from the root, okay? And you go like that, and this hair, you are combing. Okay, and I take it from another side very gently also, and combing it. All the hair should be super like, you know, clean. Okay, and you should comb them each time that you braid them. And you put another hair again, and then I fix it with a long pin. It holds very good, and this I'm just combing one more time. Then what we're going to do, we're going to start pulling them and opening them, and it's possible because we didn't braid this hair too much, okay? And when you start opening this hair, you don't have to hairspray too much. And another one, we're going to do the same thing very gently, opening it and pulling it. When you pull the hair, you have to create the line, the layer that without any hole, okay? As you can see, I am carefully, constantly, little by little, using the hairspray. I don't need to create too sticky, too heavy look because I need to move them. Now it looks good, not bad. Next step is we are pushing them, because these hairs doesn't have to be like this, like, you know, out of the head. It should be very close to the head. And with the pins, I am supporting. And this is too flat for me now, right? And that's why I'm pulling to another side a little bit, working with the roots, and then we are creating this beautiful line, which is a little bit sharper. When you finish working with this part of the hair, then you can take another hair and comb it one more time very gently, super gently, and then we can keep braiding actually to create more lines like that. And we don't have to create too much because we're gonna make another line from this part. So, and we are finishing like this. So we finished with the bang area. Now we're going to work with this hair.